Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the sorry something went wrong error in Black Myth Wukong in a quick and practical way. First, close the game completely and restart your PC to clear temporary glitches. Once your system is back on, launch your game platform, like Steam, and verify the game files by going to Properties, Installed Files, and clicking Verify Integrity. This helps fix any missing or corrupted data. Next, make sure your graphics drivers are fully updated, since outdated drivers can cause launch errors. Also, disable any background apps or overlays that might interfere with the game. If the issue continues, try running the game as administrator and temporarily turn off your antivirus to test if it's blocking something. Finally, check your internet connection if the game requires online services. After applying these steps, the error should be resolved and your game should run normally again. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.